Hello, this is Miss PSKV. Come on in and enjoy the sounds of cooking. All right, now we're gonna be making some onion, garlic, sausage spaghetti. So come on in and join me in making this onion, garlic, and also peppers sausage spaghetti. And also they're going to be added in there is some ground chicken. That's right. Not the ground chicken, but it's going to be that rotisserie chicken that you can cut up and store, and then you can use it also for different various, recipes. But I'm using all of these ingredients to make a fantastic sausage spaghetti. So come on in and join the sounds of cooking in Miss PSKV Kitchen. All right, now, this is Miss PSKV coming to you in the comfort of my home. Now we're coming into the closure of this amazing, pasta. This is the coming into the completion that we have put that beautiful, texture of the sausages and the green peppers, onions, and fresh garlic all together on this bed of pasta. And the pasta ingredients was the basil and the oregano and the olive oil, now sitting on that bed of that beautiful arrangement of pasta. And now we added the ingredients of all that substance that was cooked and simmered all together in that sauce. And even into the pasta water was added into this sauce. And I tell you, it is some good eating. Now, this is what we're looking at right here is fresh Parmesan cheese that is added on this pasta. The sauce is nice and healthy. It's not runny. It's, got a good texture to it. And I tell you, it is so good. Now, this dish was a powerful blessing. Now, I don't add the pasta and mix it all together. The pasta was cooked by itself and also added with olive oil, basil, and also oregano all by itself. So now what we do is take the sauce, put over that bed of pasta, and you see me twirling that up to show you all that substance. Look at all that substance that is on that pasta. Look at it, catching it. All of that good substance. that you're going to be able to taste the pasta. There it is. And there go the glycerin of the onion. You see that glycerin of the onion where it done cook and all the sweetness went into that dish. Because you know the onion's going to break down with a little sugar in there. So that is something that is good and delicious. And then we got that sausage. Look at that sausage. I'm telling you, the smoked flavor. And this was all beef sausage. Then went and cooked into it. And not only did I have beef sausage, when you saw the link, those was Italian sausage. Oh, yes, Italian sausage. And matter of fact, they was the hot Italian sausage to put that spice in it. So also while I was cooking and all them ingredients came together, the herbs were put in there. Oh, yes, some beautiful herbs was added in. You know this is PSKV, cooking in PSKV. That's right, cooking in my home and into your home and in the comfort and also listening to the sounds of the food is beautiful. The sounds of cooking is beautiful. And it makes a rhythm all by itself. Hearing that stir fry and the music was just playing into the food. I tell you, the sizzling and it just started dancing and I tell you, it made its own music. And then here go the spoon, hitting on to the cast iron because this was done in a beautiful cast iron. And I tell you, it was good. And then after it was finished, it was removed and put into a dish. And I tell you, it was good. The cast iron was definitely seasoned. And I tell you, it came out excellent. One of the things that I love about cooking is also the sounds of the kitchen when everything is being cooked with love. And so that means that when the food get into that frying pan or is simmering or you putting it in the pot and you cooking, and I tell you, it makes this beautiful sound and then the aroma going all in the kitchen, and sometimes you're putting on some music, and I tell you, it is so good. Make your, cooking enjoyable. I don't drink wine. I don't drink. But I do like making me a mixed drink. Just a mixed drink, to put in my crystal, while I'm drinking. Because there are drinks that you can drink without, And sometimes I make some sorrel, let it sit, let it age some. And I tell you, and I just drink on that sorrel after it done age. And I tell you, put it in the refrigerator and just let it sit. And all the ingredients just go into that sorrel. And so afterwards, I'm just sitting there cooking and sipping on me some sorrel. That's one of the drinks I would drink. But also, I like drinking ginger. So that's another drink. But there's a lot of things that we can do to enjoy our cooking. Even to, pour a glass of wine. Just look at all of the ingredients that was combined together as we close down. There's all that ingredients, that chicken that was already a rotisserie chicken that was now cut up and added to that dish with the sausage, the beef sausage, the Italian sausage, all simmered down with that pasta water also added in after, it had sauteed with all of the herbs and ingredients, and especially with fresh garlic. A lot of garlic was added in this. 2 fresh cloves that I, peeled and cut up and sliced. Wanted them chunks to be up in there. And now you're seeing the spaghetti, homemade spaghetti sauce that was added into this dish. And you see it now simmering. Now we had finished the completion. And that is where sitting on that bed of pasta. The pasta was with basil and the basil and the oregano. Now we got that all together. You see the glycerin on them onions? All right, baby, let's eat. It's time to eat. Bon appetit.